I'm Shannon, and today I am here with a video showing you how I produced and created this wonderful Peekaboo rainbow wig. I took this wig from being completely white blonde from VP Fashion to this, and I am pretty excited about it. Before we begin the coloring process, I just want to remind everyone I am not a professional hairstylist. This is totally an experiment for myself. I like how it turned out. I still have to do the hairline, and obviously this wig isn't applied correctly, but besides that, I just really wanted to show you the color and how fun it is, and yeah. For me personally, this was the best possible way I could close out Pride Month of 2019, so I really hope you enjoy this style. If you'd like to follow along at home or do a different design with one of your very own VP Fashion wigs, I'm going to be putting my discount code right here. This code takes a good chunk of money off of your next purchase, as well as helps me out a lot, so I appreciate it a ton. I hope you guys enjoy the video!
Just a quick fix, thought I was the one to fix this. We need something stronger, stronger. We need it stronger, stronger. You know that I'll miss this. Sometimes pieces miss it. You fought, but I fought harder, harder. I'm not the causer. Don't blame me. My vitals say I'm breathing, that's a miracle at best. The cold keeps me awake, and the dreams they do the rest. I think my heart burns over, I don't need it anyway. I promise I'll survive if you'll please stay. I'm not a quick fix, thought I was the one to fix this. We need something stronger, stronger. We need it stronger, stronger. You know that I'll miss this. Sometimes pieces miss it. You fought, but I fought harder, harder. I'm not the causer. Don't blame me. Come, rain on my parade, 'cause I love the gloomy weather. Come kill my vibe, it's fine, as long as we're together. Come, rain on my parade, 'cause I love the gloomy weather. Come kill my vibe, it's fine, as long as we're together. As long as we're together. As long as we're together. I'm not just a quick fix, thought I was the one to fix this. We need something stronger, stronger. We need it stronger, stronger. I'm not a quick fix, thought I was the one to fix this. We need something stronger, stronger. We need it stronger, stronger. You know that I'll miss this. Sometimes pieces miss it. You fought, but I fought harder, harder. I'm not the causer. Don't blame me.
much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. For those of you interested, this is the wig down. It is completely uncut at this point, but as you can see, the brown is on top, brown is on the bottom, and in the middle, we got our rainbow. I hope I'm pulling it apart good enough. I love rainbow. If you're interested in getting your very own VP Fashion wig or hair extensions, once again, my code is right here and the link will be in the description. I really hope you enjoyed this video and this wig, and I will see you next time. Bye!
Doctor